Hello everyone, welcome back to Technique, and in this video let's talk about the newly launched Xiaomi 17 Ultra Photography Kit Pro. Now we'll be doing other videos on the Xiaomi 17 Ultra. We are actually testing the device. So in the meanwhile, let's check the newly launched Photography Kit Pro for this device. Now this kit has been launched for pricing 19,999, but if you pre-order the Xiaomi 17 Ultra, you will get this kit for free. That's an amazing deal actually. If you are looking to buy the Xiaomi 17 Ultra, I suggest you to pre-book the device so that you will get this kit for free. So what all comes in this kit and how good the experience is using this kit, that's what we're going to talk about in this video. So we have the device with us here. So this is the actual kit. So you can see here it has a lanyard and a much improved kit. We'll also show you how it differs from the last year's kit. So this is the Xiaomi 15 Ultra Photography Kit. So this is the 17 Ultra Photography Kit. So how it differs and what are the features it offers and how good is the experience, let's find out in this video. So this is the Xiaomi 17 Ultra Photography Kit Pro, and let's talk about that. So before that, if this is your first time on this channel, do hit that subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get notified of all the videos we publish. So let's begin. So this is the kit. You can see here Xiaomi 17 Ultra Photography Kit Pro. So we already unboxed it. We'll just show you what are left inside the box. So So we have already unboxed the kit, and this is how it looks like. You can see here, this is the Photography Kit Pro, and we'll talk about this kit right now. So this is the camera lens. You can see here, this is the covering for the lens, and you do get an additional lens here. You can see, lens covering here. Now what this does is you can, this is slightly different. Now what it does is you can add ND filters to the device. You can place the filters here. So if you are a person who shoots with filters, this is definitely a great option. So you can see here, you can add filters here, ND filters here. So that is the advantage of this lens covering. And let's take this out. So that is how it looks. And this button, you can see here, there is one more option available. There is a black button option available. That's included in the box packaging. So these are the things which comes inside the box. You get this button, and then this is the grip. We'll just remove the grip and show you. So this is the grip. You can see here there is a nice material here, soft finish material on the top here, top portion, and you have this USB Type-C charging option. This thumb grip is already included in this, because last time you had to screw it here, but this time around you have this thumb grip here, designed by Xiaomi, and you have two options. One is this control, then you have the zoom option, then the button here, and the video recording option, and this is the lock mechanism for this. And this is the lanyard. This is a really good lanyard actually. We have been using this lanyard whenever you're using the grip, because it feels very secure using this grip. Now you can see here, this is the case which comes in the box to support the device, the photographic kit rather. So we have the device here. So this is the case, and you can see the case is actually very good. It is a matte finish here, and you can see a pattern here. You can see the pattern here, and looks very nice. And you can see the button here. So we'll just put it back here. So that's how the case looks like. We'll just put this here. So there you go. And you have the Xiaomi branding as well, and the inside looks very good. So it's a very sturdy case actually, very strong and sturdy. So once you put the case, I can see here the feedback from the buttons are also good. You can see the buttons, very nice feedback, and the Xiaomi branding. And now you can see here, I'm just putting so there you go, I put the photography kit, and I just lock this. Now you can see here the camera grip is connected. So you can see here the camera grip is now connected. Wait, we'll just show you the camera grip option as well. So the camera grip is now connected. Now you can see here a couple of options. The grip battery is shown here. Now quick launch, press and hold the shutter button to perform the action. You can open camera or quickly take photo, or you can turn it off. These are the three options. Then camera mode, you can see these are the options. You can quickly go to the portrait, video, pro mode, fast shot, document. So these are the options. Whichever you use, you can select that. Then select camera grip. You can see here shutter button, single photo or burst photo, zoom leveler, continuous zoom, switch focal length. You can select the focal length as well, or default zoom. Then customizable dial, you can set for exposure, filters, ISO, shutter speed, white balance, presets, focus and the bokeh level. So everything is included here. You can customize the dial here. And video button, you can record video. You can see here Leica style. So plenty of customization options are there. So video button is this one, and this is the capture button, and this is the dial, and we have the zoom here. So these are the four options available. This is the zoom, this is the customizable dial, the video record button and the photo button. So these are the options. You can see here you can literally control anything from this grip, and then you can charge the camera grip, emergency charging level and serial number, and this is included. So if the phone is having very low battery, it will probably take from the grip, charge from the camera grip, emergency. So only if the battery is low, it charges from the grip, and emergency charging level you can set it as 20%. So that's how it works. So let's just take the camera. You can see here how it works. It's pretty fast actually, and you can see here I'm zooming in right now using this, and it's very fast and easy to use. And if I'm using this button, you can see here I'm controlling the exposure values. So this is how you can control the exposure values, and this is the record button. I'm recording the video right now. So these are the options in the photography kit Pro. Now how does it differ from the existing one? So this is the camera grip, the photography kit for the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Now this is the 17 Ultra. You can clearly see here, we'll just show you. So this has been refined. So this section has been integrated with this, and we have a dual tone on this, but this is a single tone, and the buttons are actually better. Here you can see here, this is the rotary dial. Now it has been made different here, and this is the record button. It has moved to this place, and the camera button and the zoom remains the same. So I feel this is a bit more refined camera grip, which is better performing than. You can also see the thickness is slightly, or the design language is slightly tapered here, but while this was flat one, while this is a slightly tapered, giving a much better grip, and the thickness, everything remains more or less similar, and the camera dial button, the camera housing button looks very much similar here. So that is the grip, and you can see here there is the lanyard option on both, and the charging options as well. So that's how the new photography kit Pro looks like on the Xiaomi 17 Ultra. So this is available for 19,999, and if you are pre-ordering, you can get it for free with the device. So that was my experience with the photography kit Pro, the 17 Ultra, and overall I feel this is definitely a worthy kit, especially if you are looking for photography. It gets you additional options like you can customize the zoom lens, and then you can go with quick video recording. You can adjust the aperture values or the exposure values rather. So those things are available, and it gives a good lanyard and a good grip altogether. So this is available for 19,999 as I mentioned before. So if you pre-order the Xiaomi 17 Ultra, you will get this free right now. So I would suggest you to pre-order this device if you are looking to buy the device, so that you will get this kit for free. So that was my experience. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.